guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys are going to be getting unready with me, and one of my most asked questions that I always get is, what is my skincare routine? How do I get unready at night or just on a daily basis? And the product I'm about to share with you guys is something that I've been using for the last month that I really feel has kept my skin clear and feeling really clean. I'm really excited to share how I get unready today, and I just wanted to mention to you guys, this video is sponsored by a skincare brand that I absolutely love, Glam Glow. Their products are amazing, and this product in particular is something that I think you all should try, and it has really helped me, especially with the amount of makeup that I wear. I definitely need to cleanse my skin every single night. So the product I have here is called Super Cleanse. And I've been loving Super Cleanse this last month. You guys have seen all my Halloween videos. This has kept my skin clear the entire month, and now that I'm getting back into beauty makeup, I'm going to continue to use this to keep my skin looking fresh and clean. Super Cleanse is a cream to foam cleanser, so if you guys have tried those before, these I really like because at first it's nice and soft on your skin, sort of like a lotion. It's very creamy, and as you lather in the water and everything, it gets very foamy on the face. It has a triple charcoal technology in it, which deeply cleanses the skin. What I really love about Super Cleanse is that it removes face makeup. That is really important to me. Face makeup can cause me to break out if I don't remove it properly and get it all off of my face. So I have to definitely have a cleanser that does that and removes it for me. And it's really nice if you want to take that extra step to purchase a cleanser that has the ability to remove face makeup, because you kind of can skip that extra step in your daily skincare routine if your cleanser doesn't have that, which a lot of cleansers don't. It also refines pores and mattifies the skin, so if you do have oily skin, I have combination skin and I get kind of oily right in this area. This is going to refine your pores and mattify to give you a matte look, which I think is cool if you want to use this in the morning as well, which you can, morning or night. Sometimes I actually do use this in the morning if I wake up and my face is feeling a little bit greasy. This helps give me a really kind of like matte, clean feel and look. And the great thing about it is that it does turn into like this luxurious foam, but it's also going to blast away any like impurities or debris that can cause like clogged pores. That's something that I deal with a lot. Like, I get a lot of clogged pores from makeup, from wearing it every day and from filming. And if you are someone like me that wears makeup every day to work, to school, whatever you're doing, if you're a fellow YouTuber, then using something like this is ideal. It's really preventative. I don't know if you guys notice this, but if you are going out all day, if you're in the city or if you're in your everyday life, walk around outside, you're going to get pore clogging debris just from being out and from sweating and your body producing oil on your face. It's going to get clogged if you don't cleanse properly, and this is going to blast away all of that stuff, makeup, everything from throughout the day. And it also is just really nice that it does remove your face makeup and your skin feels really soft. It feels sexy afterward. You don't feel dry. I know if you guys have tried different cleansers, I've tried so many. A lot of the times the cleansers I've tried, they leave your skin feeling like squeaky clean and super dry, and it just doesn't feel comfortable, and you just can't deal with it. I can't, and I really don't like cleansers that feel that way. I feel like after I use this, my skin feels really smooth, soft, and it doesn't feel like the product dried out my skin, which is something that I do not like. I hate drying cleansers. The great thing about the charcoal that is in this product is that it actually is very good for your skin, and it's very earthy and healthy. So you have ubame charcoal in here, you have coconut charcoal, and you also have bamboo charcoal. So I feel like that in itself was kind of appealing to me. So let's take a closer look at the product. So when you open it up, it says hello sexy. Like I said, Glam Glow. They got some sexy products. This is Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. You guys know that. And it just says Hollywood, California, Glam Glow. I really love Glam Glow's packaging. I always think it's on point. And you have some directions in the back of the product here for those of you who do decide to purchase it. Although I'm going to demo it for you guys, I'm just going to go ahead and read them aloud. It says to squeeze a generous amount into hands, add water, and vigorously rub hands together to create a foaming lather. Like I mentioned, this is cream to foam, so it's going to start very creamy, and as you lather it, it is going to get pretty foamy, and I really do enjoy that. Apply to face and massage over skin, rinse clean, and you can use this AM and PM, And like I mentioned before, I do use this primarily at nighttime, but there are days that I do decide to use it in the morning because I wake up and my skin is looking pretty oily, and it is nice to cleanse with this because it mattifies before makeup application, before you start your day. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I use it, and you can get a visual of how I apply it, how much I apply, and how it works overall. So I hope you guys are loving this video. If you are loving it, be sure you like this video right now, subscribe for more, and let's get into the demo. I'm going to add a little touch of water to this, just a little bit to the palm of my hand, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my face. So as you can see, it's nice and creamy, and then once we go in and add some more water, that's when you're going to get that nice foamy lather going. You just want to vigorously rub this all throughout your face, and I'm just doing circular motions with this because this is going to pick up all of that face makeup, all of that oil that's sitting on the skin. You just want to massage it all around your skin. And as you can see, I did go in and tackle these brows with this product, and I just kind of rubbed it through them, and it is going to remove your brow product. I had a brow pomade on, and it's literally completely off my brows right now, and I just rubbed it through. That's all I did. And now you can just rinse clean using a towel, and I like to use warm water when I am wiping away the product. I like to use warm water because it helps really open up those pores so that I can really grab anything that's clogging them, any makeup or anything like that, oil. I literally took off all of my face makeup that you guys saw. So I hope you guys enjoyed that demonstration of how I use it, and I do use this in morning or at night. I typically like to use this also in my shower. Sometimes I just keep this in there, and when I'm taking a shower, I'll just go ahead and cleanse my face using this product. But you guys can see how you would typically do it like in the morning, or if you are not using it in the shower, you can just cleanse over the sink. And I do recommend using warm water when you're rinsing. It just feels very nice on the skin, and it helps unclog those pores. And it really helps this cleanser do its thing. So also, just wanted to mention that. After you use this cleanser, you will feel that your skin can actually like breathe. You can feel your pores breathing. You feel the air hitting your skin. And it doesn't feel like there is anything, there's nothing there. The skin feels so clean. And if you notice, it does mattify the skin. I don't have any greasiness, oiliness, but yet the skin is still soft. So glad I got to talk about skincare with you guys today because it's one of my biggest passions. I love it so much, and I get so many questions about it, so I hope this video was really helpful to you guys. If you guys liked this video and you found it helpful, like you really learned something today, be sure you like it and subscribe for more. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I hope you're having an awesome day or night, and I will see you guys in my next video.